back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Leave with the transponders. Also, don't block the exit there, as we have people trying to leave in the haulers. Don't block that to go get your money. If you want to park down here, walk up, get your money, come back and get your car, that's fine. But don't block that up there, as we've been having trouble with the that area being blocked. Here we go, 12 lap. Reno's Roadhouse front wheel drive feature. Dustin Duncan to the early lead down the backstretch. The 75 of Eric Parton right behind him. Then it's going to be the 25 of Jacob Gibson and the 117 of Rick Beals. Eric Bryant in the 33 runs fifth. That's your top five. So it's Dustin Duncan, a big lead early on. A 1 second lead now for Duncan, as he's going to try to split the two lap cars, Megan Wolkin and the 22 of Jonathan Upchurch. He will do that. He'll split those two. Eric Parton gets around both of those cars, as will the 25 of Jacob Gibson and the 117 of Rick Beals. Hard into the wall goes the 75. Eric Parton hit the wall hard over in turn two, and he's going to drop that car to the bottom of the racetrack. He's going to take that car to the pits. He hit the turn two wall a ton. As you see the marks down there where he hit the wall and bounced off of it. So Eric Parton, his night is done. Dustin Duncan out to a 3.8 second lead, and he's going to stretch that even further. Caution is out, as it looks like that's the 14M, I believe, of Mac Duncan. Is that Mac? Can't really see the car. I think that is Duncan on the backstretch. The tire came off that car, went down the backstretch. Green flag back out as Dustin Duncan off to the lead once again. Jacob Gibson. Then it's going to be Marty Gilly on the restart ahead of the 117 of Rick Beals. Then it's going to be Austin Kawasaki, Jim Rowland, Austin Leach, Eric Bryant, Paxton Cox, Mac Duncan, who is already gone off the track. Lap 9 in, 3 laps to go. We'll see the white flag next time by for the young man out of Robbins, Tennessee, Dustin Duncan. Duncan going to see the white flag this time by. So it's Dustin Duncan running first, as it looks like he may have lost a transponder out on the track. One more time around. He'll come off of turn 4. Reno's Roadhouse. Front wheel drive mini stock feature winner. Dustin Duncan going to pick up the win. Second, we'll go to the 25 of Jacob Gibson. Marty Gilly goes third. Fourth to Rick Beals. Fifth goes to Jim Rowland. Austin Kawasaki, Austin Leach, Eric Bryant, Baston Cox. Rounding out your field. Rolling into victory lane in that number 21 out of Robbins, Tennessee. Race fans, let him hear you, the 21 of Dustin Duncan.
By no surprise, starting off 2025 right, he's already got a lot of wins under his belt already in 2025, racing all over the South. Put your hands together for Dustin Duncan. Brother man, walk around here in front of the car. You got a nice trophy. And that's a one-off trophy. So how's it feel to be back in Cumberland Speedway? Victory Lane 2025 is here, baby.
Oh, like I always say, man, it's home and just feels great. You know, best track on the planet and cool trophy too. So that just tops the cake, you know.
Well, looks like you got a little girl that sure loves you. Somebody said you have 14 kids. Any truth to that?
Pretty much, yeah.
There you go. But looks like you're getting them lunch money in Victory Lane. Who you got to give a shout out to?
Let's take the time to give the shout out to God. You know, without him, I'm nothing. Thank God that he sacrificed himself on the cross and gave his life to save ours, that we have a chance at salvation. Just praise him and thank him with all my might.
There you go. Race fans, put your hands together for Dustin Duncan. And he had plans going racing for $100,000 to win this weekend, and it got canceled. So at Kokomo, we're glad to see him back at LCS.